Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Integrals exercise 7.4 question number 12. Let's see the question. Integrate 1 by root of 7 minus 6x minus 6 square dx. Here if we check, there is no value in the numerator, it's only 1. Here denominator we have root of 7 minus 6x minus 6 square. If I differentiate that, I will not get my numerator. In this case, we can't do splitting the middle term also to solve this, because we have 7 and we have 6 in the between. So taking minus sign as x square as a negative sign, taking minus sign common outside, you will not get splitting the middle term. For that reason, I am going to change this to be completing the square method. For completing the square method, I am going to solve this. Here taking minus sign in the minus sign common in this 2, it becomes x square plus 6x dx. Yeah, without doing anything, I am going to change this to be a, as it is plus a plus b whole square. Here for a plus b whole square, remember I will teach you one easy method. Here I want my a plus b the whole square. In that, my a always be my x square. For b is equal to x coefficient divided by 2. So this will be your b. So writing 7 minus a plus b the whole square, then minus b square. Always write minus b square here. A plus b whole square, immediately minus b square. Now solving this, you will get integration 1 by root of, here it becomes 7 minus, taking minus sign inside, it becomes minus into minus, it becomes plus 9 dx. Now this becomes 16, here this becomes 16, 16 can be written as 4 square minus x plus 3 the whole square dx. Now this is in the form of 1 by root of a square minus x square. So if it's a square minus x square, the formula here for integration formula here is sine inverse x by a plus c. So here directly we can integrate using this formula. It becomes sine inverse x by a is x plus 3. X value here is x plus 3 by 4. 4 plus c will be your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.